Chapter 3rd, Fundamental Insurance, Part B. So then we talk about types of insurance coverage and amount for which insurer may be liable. Identify the extent of the coverage. Insurer offer different policies and the amount of insurance provided under the highlight amount and extent. So what kind of coverage you have and how much coverage you have, right? So the different policies have different coverage. So highlight this extent and amount. Then rates and premium, how much they're going to charge. It requires the cost of insurance be shown on the policy. So highlight cost. Subject matter of insurance, identify the item insured, so what they have covered. So the items and the address where located. So address and items. Then removal clause. It requires insurer to extend coverage to a location not stated on the policy. Not stated on the policy. When property has been necessarily removed from the location, insured to protect it from damage or further loss or damage for a maximum 7 days, hardly 7 days, or expiry of the policy, whichever is less. Amount available is the difference between the limit of insurance and amount of loss at insured location. So how much they cover? Whatever the difference between the limit of insurance and the amount of a loss. Limitation of liability clauses. It requires insurer to disclose the existence of clauses. Highlight disclosure of existence that may potentially reduce the claim payment. Must be done in red ink, highlight red ink on the face of the policy. If there is any clause, you can't do this, so it must be written in red. So how much time they cover from the main location? How many days? 7 days. Yeah. Next is insurer's right of a subrogation. So first the meaning of subrogation. So what is the meaning of subrogation? To place oneself into the shoes of another. Highlight this. Place oneself in the shoe of another. In other words, assume the legal right of another. Next is effect of subrogation. No problem. Not a problem. Results of subrogation. Allows insurer to claim with the insurer when loss was caused by others, right? Basically, result of subrogation, insurers after paying claim to insured have the right to recover all amounts, including deductible, from the party responsible for causing a loss. This one I gave you my father-in-law's example before. So basically, my father-in-law had a couple shot, right? Borrowed my vehicle, my Jeep. I'm going on Scott Road. He had a couple shot at Baba Sweet. Then driving, it was a rainy day, night time, right? So there were two parked vehicles. So he just smashed the Jeep into the parked vehicles.
Your father or father-in-law?
Father-in-law. My father doesn't drink. So what happened then? So this is about 10-12 years before, right? Maybe more than that, 10-12 years. So what happened now? The vehicle's damaged, gate is damaged, right? Nobody injured, my Jeep damaged. So ICBC now assume the responsibility of my father-in-law, right? So ICBC repaired my Jeep, also repaired other ones, did the gate thing, cost $25,000 more, right? So what happened? So they did it. So ICBC subrogate basically. They assume themselves into my father-in-law's, right? But what happened then? After they get this thing, then they sued him, right? So they pay the money. Either you pay the money, $25,000, or cancel his license, right? So they didn't renew, right? So he lost his driving license, right? So he was on pension. So, okay, no problem. I can't afford it, right? Here's my license. You understand, right? In other case, if somebody is working, they'll go after it. You understand? So subrogate means placing oneself into the shoe of another. First they pay, then they have right to sue. You understand? And there's a 1 mark for sure and the 1. So my father will give you 1 mark.
Subrogation, is that what they're gonna, you have to remember, the meaning?
Yeah, they ask you the meaning.
Oh,
Place oneself into another's shoe another. In other words, assuming the legal rights of another. So who assumed the legal right here? ICBC. Right? So what did they do then after that? Claim, allow insurer to claim with insurer when loss was caused by others. Then result, insurer after ICBC paying after paying the claim has the right to recover our amount from the party responsible for causing a loss, right? So then waivers of terms or conditions establishes only the insurer has the right to change the term. Who has the right? Only the insurer. Only the insurer has the right. Terms or condition of an insurance contract acceptable and binding. Highlight binding. Binding means enforceable. Enforceable means लागू कर सकते हैं अपन. Only when in writing. Only when in a hired in writing. And signed by a person authorized for that purpose by the insurer. So a person who has the authority to sign when he signs it, right? To whom the insurance company has, for example, the supervisor or anybody, right? So then effect of delivery of policy provides that when insurer has issued a policy and a loss has occurred before the premium has been paid by the insurer is still required to highlight. The insurance is still required. Even though you have not paid the premium, insurance company still has to pay. Say I got the insurance done, but I haven't paid it. Policy delivered, but I still get the money. This question comes, right? Effect of delivery. Basics coverage legislated on policies insuring fire. So basically, what are the questions they ask? Number one, the meaning of subrogation, right? Placing oneself into the other's shoe. So who has the right to go after the party? ICBC or any insurance company, right? Right? So basically, they pay first and then they sue them. Right? What does the waiver mean? They have the right to waive. Insurance company, right? They can change the contracts. Effect of delivery, even though you have not paid, insurance company is still bound to pay you now. Okay? So these are 3 marks. Then basic coverage legislated on policy insuring fire. Fire basic coverage. So legal meaning of fire. What is a fire? Established there must be ignition. Highlight must be ignition resulting in destructive burning. The burning needs to be destructive. Right?
Tear down.
Ignition resulting, yeah. 2 types of fire. One is friendly, one is hostile. Friendly means contained. When we burn a candle, is contained, right? Application is deliberate. We knowingly lit the candle, right? Hostile means no longer contained. Now the candle fell down, burned the whole carpet, whole house, right? Is no longer contained. Effects are destructive. So which one they cover? Hostile. Right? Insurance contracts only cover losses resulting from a hostile.